And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 152. Let me show you the live paint selection tool. We'll start with the grid tool yet again, and then we use the live paint bucket. I use the arrow keys to left and right to cycle through the swatches, and then I left click here on these areas. I've shown you that in the last video, but I've also shown you it is still connected, so you cannot select these different areas. And this is what the live paint selection tool is for, because now you can just left click on it, it will be highlighted, and then you can change, for example, here the fill color. And that's all that this tool is for. Shortcut for this is Shift L, and if you double click on it, you get this very simple menu. Here you can check select fill and select stroke. And the bottom options here for highlight, this is just to change the appearance of these highlight areas. And by the way, you can also select here an empty area and change the fill color. So it's basically a helper tool for the live paint bucket. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.